Hello my fellow creators and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today's video I am going to use this month's Sheetload of Cards sketch by Alicia of Call Me Crafty out. So I've gone ahead and prepared all my cut aparts that I need, my different sizes, and I've prepared quite a few because I want to make some general cards. Now I'm going to go ahead and add these little pop stickers that I found at Dollar Tree. They are the perfect color scheme for what I'm doing today. And then the sentiment strips, I went ahead and pre-stamped using all these lovely Simon Says stamp sets. This one is Birthday Flowers. That's for the Hello Friend sentiment. Simon Says stamp, See You Soon is the Time to Relax sentiment. Wake Up and Makeup, I'm using the Hello Gorgeous sentiment. The Sympathy Greetings mix, I am using the Thinking of You sentiment. The Hello Sunshine set, I used the You Are My Sunshine sentiment. And the Amazing stamp set, I've used Have I Told You Lately That You're Amazing. So quite a few different sentiments for a variety of cards. Now the pattern paper I'm using is from Michaels, and it's this In Bloom paper pad. So I've used, let's see, what did I pull? I pulled this blue one. Trying to find which other ones. I pulled this purple one, this floral one, and you'll see which ones I partnered them with as well shortly. This bicycle, this green one. I don't see the purple striped one. Did I miss it? Maybe I used the last purple striped one. Or possibly. Oh, there it is. And the purple striped one. So I did go ahead and pre-cut and score all my card bases, all my pieces according to her cutting guide. So I cut out my 1.5 by 3.25 pieces to go with my 6 by 3 pieces in each of the coordinating papers. And then I did cut the sentiment strips and stamp those ahead of time using my Misty, of course, because I can't free range stamp to save my life. So I'm going to go ahead and play some music, sit back, relax, and enjoy. All right. So I managed to make 30 of these mini Slimline cards using this month's sketch. And I did these 10 with the floral and green and varying sentiments, of course. So there's 10. And then my next stack of 10 I did with this bike and blue floral. These are going to be good to add to my stash so that I have last minute cards and to also just send out to friends and family. I want to do more of that. And my last 10 I did in this purple stripe and text, lavender text. There they are. Thanks for sticking around to the end. Let me know in the comments below which of the cards is your favorite. I'd be thrilled if you subscribe to my YouTube channel or follow me on any of my other social media platforms. As always, have a beautiful, safe, and creative day. Thanks for watching. Bye.